Happy Sunday, everybody. Happy Mother's Day. Just thought I'd hop on here and show you guys a few things. I have some orders here that I got some cards, and I gotta pack up some magazines that I got. But this is what I really wanted to show you guys. I have two unboxings to do. Check this one out. You see who that's from? That's right. Storage Auction Pirate. The OG of storages. I bought his $25 box. And then I have a box here full of cards. Sports cards that I'm going to do an unboxing. These are unopened packets from like he said maybe 70s. I told him no 80s and 90s. So 80, hopefully 60s, 70s and today's cards. But we'll see. So I want you guys to tell me, what should I do the unboxing first on? Should I do the Auction Pirate box or should I do the card lot? Anyways, just wanted to hop on in here and say hi to everybody and happy Mother's Day to all your moms. And hope everybody's staying safe. I know a lot of you guys, cities are starting to open up, so stay safe out there. And again, happy Mother's Day. And please like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you guys want. Do you guys want to do Auction Pirate unboxing first, or do you want to do sports cards unboxing first? Anyways, you guys have a good one, and I'll see you hopefully tomorrow with the unboxing video. Have a good day, and say hi to your moms for me. Bye.